Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing great. Everything is fine. Can you hear me everyone? Please confirm. Okay, thank you so much. Screen visible to you everyone. Okay, perfect. Today in this webinar, which pair you would like to uh, market analysis, because in this webinar I'm going to do two pair, okay, from higher time frame to lower time frame, what happening, and I will explain you. So let's see which pair you would like to higher time frame to lower time frame analysis. Let's create a poll, then you can, okay, you can poll there, then we can understand which pair you would like to analysis today in this webinar. All right, everyone. So most of the members are ready to Euro USD and gold for the higher time frame to lower time frame, multiple time frame analysis in this webinar. So I'm going to start from gold and then I will start a Euro USD. Okay. So let's end this poll. First of all, we are going to start from gold. Let's see what happening in a higher time frame and what we can expect next upcoming days, week and months also, right? So let's delete all these things and start from higher time frame perspective in a monthly time frame. What happening here in a monthly time frame and what we can expect. Okay, so you can see market momentum is completely bullish. Everything is a bullish. Everything is a bullish and market continue going higher high. But right now you can see at the point, what is this, right? What is this and why this move happening here? You can see market create a like looks like a triple top and double top, right? As you know, these are reversal pattern in terms of the retails. So basically these are like double top or you can say triple top, but basically these are equal high, which is indication that market very highly chances in upcoming days, week, month, market can break this one, because these are indication for the liquidity, right? So if you start from bottom of the structure, in this case you can see the previous structure was here at this point. This is a previous structure and this is a single entire leg is here, because in this case market not taken out any inducement right here. Okay, the previous inducement was here and this was our previous break of structure at this point, and this become our higher high right now. Sorry, this become our break of structure. And after this break of structure, what happened here? Market taken out the inducement at this point, and after taking out the inducement, generally we are looking for the buy or sell in bullish market. And then what happened here? If you can see the previous old structure as well as here, this is our previous structure here, right? This one is our also a break of structure, right? And this point become our higher high, higher low, because higher low confirm because market close our bit. Again market push upside and this is an impulsive move right here. Again push downside, taken out the inducement. Why this is an inducement, right? Because this one is a valid pullback, break the previous candle low here also, but market not taken out any pullback. So first pullback is a taken out, then our higher high is a confirm here. So basically this is a single leg move here, market push downside, taken out the inducement, and then we are looking for the buy, right? And this one is our buy. And then what happened here? Again market break this high, close of it, this become our valid break of structure, and after break of structure the lowest point become our higher low. So this point is our higher low right here, right? Because this is the lowest point here and this one is also higher low, right? Break the structure and continue going higher high. In this case you can see so many pullback is here, but market not break any pullback. So finally market break this high, create this high after taking out the inducement. So where is our inducement in this case? Look at this picture here very carefully. This one is our inducement, and after taking out the inducement our higher high is a confirm here. Look at this one, right? This one is our valid pullback because the previous candle low is broken. Here also break the previous candle low, but here interesting thing is here this is not a valid pullback. Look at this picture very carefully. At this point what happened here? This is the previous candle high, I'm talking about bullish candle, and the next bearish candle break this high. It means we have to focus this candle higher low. But what happened here? This inside candle break this one, so it means market break the insider candle, not a major candle, right? If this candle break this low, so this become our valid pullback, right? So this is an inside move of this between this candle high or low. Here you can see the previous candle low is broken by this bearish candle. It means this is our valid pullback, something like this. And then this is not a valid pullback. This is just simple leg, single leg move here. Okay. So this is a valid pullback here. If market taken out, then we can buy here. This is the first area when we can buy after taking out the inducement, right? And the next thing is here. Again, market push downside, and we need a again break of structure. So when we can expect next break of structure? Look at this one. This is a previous high here, and this one is our candle closer just above it. And where is our higher low? In this case, this point become our higher low, and then market going continue to the upside. So again, close of it. This is a break of structure. We are looking for the buy. When we can buy in this situation, you have to wait for to taken out the inducement. But in this case, where is our inducement? And inducement means valid pullback. So where is our valid pullback? In this leg, you have to check here, because inducement only applicable this side, because market break the structure left side, not here. Okay, this is the internal move. This is a main impulsive move here, right? This is an impulsive move, and this is a corrective. There is no inducement to confirm higher high. Okay, so you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement, maybe this one, and then continue go higher. So if market taken out those inducement, then we can confirm this is our higher high, right? So look at this picture and mark here. Look at this one. What happening here? Let's check this one. This is a broken or not. If broken, so this become a valid pullback. But this is a not broken. These are equal low, right? It means where is our valid pullback here? Because this previous candle low broken here. It means if market looking for to the upside, then market must be break this low before to continue go higher. This is the first scenario. And second scenario is here. If market break this high, okay, then create a new inducement. So where is inducement? Here. Right now there is inducement. Maybe market can be go little bit more downside and then continue break this high. So this point become our inducement. This inducement transfer here to here. As per the current price action, right now this is an inducement. Okay, after breakout structure, this is the first pullback after breakout structure, because this high still not a break the previous all-time high. This one, right? You can see here. So market must be taken out this inducement or create new inducement. Then we can decide where is market going on in based on monthly time frame, and definitely it's take a lot of time, actually weeks and months. Okay, so if market break this previous all-time high, this one, and then definitely market create new inducement, and then we can again buy after taking out the inducement, and the structure will be next step. Okay, but this is happening in a monthly time frame. What we can expect based on weekly, daily, and what we can expect next upcoming week, what's going on here. Okay, so now you have to switch here in a weekly time frame. First of all, this is a weekly chart. Okay, in a weekly time frame, you can see where is our structure. In terms of the weekly structure, this one is our previous structure was created here. This one is our higher high, right? And this point become our higher high, and this point become our higher low, right? So these are high and low, right? Break this high and candle close over it. If candle close over it, then become our valid break of structure, and this is our valid break of structure here, because market taken out the inducement here, actually here, because this one is our pullback. Okay, after taking out the inducement, market continue going higher high, and then finally what happened here? Market create new higher high here in terms of the weekly time frame, right? And then what happened here? Market push downside, and we need to wait for to taken out the inducement. In this case, where is inducement? This low, because this is the first pullback after this break of structure in this leg. This is an impulsive move. If market break this low, definitely we can buy here. If you know that I mentioned so many times, right, that after taking out the inducement, we can see momentum to the upside, and then same thing happen here. After taking out this inducement, market get all liquidity, and then what happened here? Market mitigate your unmitigated order block, and then push to the upside, right? Because market create SNR liquidity here also, supply and demand. A lot of people are interested here for the buy and sell if at this point, because this is a demand zone, everyone looking here for buy. So many time attempt market trying to go higher but not able to go higher because market creating liquidity, and then what happened, market push downside, create all liquidity, mitigate something and continue going higher high. So this was move as per the weekly time frame perspective. Okay, and then now right now what happening here and what we can expect, we can expect market are looking for to the upside move, and we can buy or sell after taking out the inducement as per the weekly time frame perspective. First high is a broken, that's called chalk. In terms of the weekly time frame, this was the last structure here, and this was here previous internal structure. This one is a broken, that's called chalk because price tap on your demand zone, and first high is a broken, this one is a called chalk, right? So this point become our chalk. After chalk we can buy here after taking out the inducement. So in this leg, where is our inducement? Because market continue going higher high, there is no inducement taken out, right? So when we can buy, look at this one, this one is the first last pullback here, and after taking out the inducement we can buy. So where is our inducement at this point? Okay, so this one is our inducement, and after taking out the inducement, where is our unmitigated order block? You have to identify where is our unmitigated order block, which is called our decisional POI after taking out the inducement, and the next one is the extreme order block. So in this case you can see you have a 2 POI. Look at this one, this one is our unmitigated order block right here, and this one is our extreme order block. So technically we have a 2 POI, first one is a decisional and this one is extreme. If price tap here and price create any chalk or flip or single candle order block confirmation, definitely you can buy here. And next thing is here, if price failed this POI, for example, if market type here and give a reaction here, you are willing to buy here and everything is fit, you can buy. Then what happened, market push downside, taken out this high, so you have to prepare here also because this is a decisional buy. If market again push downside, you can sell till this POI mitigation, and then again you have to wait for chalk and inducement taken out, and you can buy, continue to the upside, right? So this is a possible scenario based on weekly time frame, and this is a weekly demand zone, so you have to wait for at least 4-hour chalk flip for the confirmation, right? So this is a possible scenario, and right now what are you looking here? You have to wait for it to taken out the like you have to wait for it to mitigate this one, and then we can buy to the upside, right, based on a weekly time frame perspective. Now this is a weekly time frame. If you are looking here for the daily time frame perspective, then you can understand what is going on next week. Look at the daily time frame perspective. In a daily time frame perspective, market still are bearish and everything look are bearish, so we can simply buy or sell, buy on this order flow. This one is an unmitigated order flow right here. This is the last selling move before this one, that's called order flow. Simple, because every order flow is a mitigate here, so price type here, then very high chances market give a reaction to the upside. So before the mitigation this one, simply we can sell for the short term move to the downside. Okay, so this one is our previous high is a taken out. This one is a called liquidity grab here, push downside, and then what happen here, market mitigate this side which act like a POI, mitigate and push downside, and again in the next attempt same thing happen here, this side also mitigate by this candle, push downside, and again this side this candle also mitigate here. So 1 2 3 POI mitigate here, and again we can see this side also mitigate here. Why we are selling here so many times? Because there is no unmitigated POI or shadow above it, everything is mitigated here, right? That's why we are selling here. Okay, so we can sell here, again market push downside and mitigate this unmitigated order block right here. Which point? Till this low broken. If market break this low, then you don't need to wait for it, you have to wait for it to take out the first pullback, because we are selling in terms of the candlestick structure. Now we are going to sell after taking out the structure basis, because structure broken here, right? Here also taken out the liquidity, push downside and create single candle order block, we are selling here. Again, if you are willing to sell here, so which point we can sell? This is the first pullback is here. You can see this is the first pullback. This is a single line over here. So if market break this high, definitely we can sell here. After taking out this one, we can sell something like this, and then continue go higher, right? Because this is a higher time frame PY. So we are willing to take out this high, then we can sell. This is a daily time frame perspective. Now we are going to switch here in a 1 hour time frame to see exactly what happening here and what we can expect, right? So as per the daily 1 hour time frame perspective, you have to check the market structure right now. This is a previous lower low here, right? And this point become our lower high right here, and this is our break of structure right now. Okay, this is a break of structure. Market push downside, and the next attempt there is no inducement create here, so you have to mark the previous structure was here, which was created at this point. Let me check. Because market taken out the inducement, confirm this lower low, market push downside, break this one and this one, right? So what happened here? This point become our choke, and this is the lowest low, right? And this point become our last break of structure right here. Again, now we are willing to buy here. So which point we can buy here? After taking out the inducement, we can buy. So where is the inducement? Here. First inducement here, and you have to wait for it to mitigate your unmitigated order block. So which point? This one. This is unmitigated order block here. Market tap here, give reaction and go higher. Again, next attempt, what happened here? Market break this high, you can sell here. Market push downside, mitigate same thing here, you can sell till this one. And if price tap here, so which already tap here, so we can continue going higher high to the upside till this liquidity grab here. Okay, so very highly chances that market can go higher to the upside to mitigate this, to take out this high, then we can expect downside move as per our multiple time frame analysis. Okay, as a day trader, you don't need to do these all things. You can follow simply any single time frame like 1 hour and 5 minute entry, 15 minute and 1 minute entry, right? But I'm going to show you exactly that higher time frame to lower time frame, because so many traders trade in a different time frame. That's why I did in a different time frame. Okay, so this is our 1 hour, and you have to wait for it to take out the 5 minute, because we are in a 1 hour time frame, and 5 minute chalk and flip, and then we can buy here. Okay, here we can see this is an internal structure right here, right? This was the previous structure was here, broken here, and then what happened here? If previous structure is a broken like this, and this one is a called chalk, and after chalk you have to wait for it to mitigate unmitigated order block here. But price not came back here. If came back here, then definitely we can buy here, right? Again, create high, taken out the inducement, mitigate order block and buy. Again, continue going higher high, and you have to wait for taken out the inducement. This one, if taken out, then we can buy. So right now there is no inducement taken out. Break this high, this inducement taken out, and we can buy at this point, right? And continue going higher high as per the higher time frame to lower time frame. Now, so this is enough in a gold. Now we are going to switch here in a Euro USD, which is a next pair. So first of all, we are going to start from daily time frame. In a daily time frame perspective, what happening here? Market momentum is completely bullish, right? And let me check a higher time frame first, monthly time frame. In a monthly time frame, here we can see one chalk, create last higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, again higher high, and then what happened here at this point? Market break this one is called chalk. In a first attempt, just liquidity grab here, so this is not chalk. Next attempt, close below it, push downside, and market create new lower low, again break this high and confirm this is a chalk. Okay, so this is a chalk, and after chalk we can buy or sell on decisional and extreme PY. So you have to wait for it to take out the inducement. So where is our inducement in this leg? This one is a small, very tiny, this one, because this is a pullback here, something like this, broke this high and then push downside. Inducement taken out, you have to wait for it to taken out the unmitigated order block, So this one, but there is no reaction, market push downside, so we can simply buy on extreme PY. So where is our extreme? This one, because this is an unmetered order flow, right? So market very highly chances in upcoming months and years, market can be test this level before to continue go higher, because this is an unmitigated fresh order flow, right? This is an unmitigated here. And why market react at this point? Because this one is also unmitigated order flow, right? Give reaction, and then what happened? Market push higher, and then market went down after taking out this high, because this high act like an inducement. So price can be taken out this one and then drop, and when price drop here, we can buy to the upside based on monthly time frame perspective in a Euro USD right here. Okay, so now we are going to switch here in a weekly time frame to see exactly what happening here. In a weekly time frame perspective, market is still a bearish, everything looks a bearish. This was our previous higher high was happen here, higher low, break the structure, create higher high, again market push downside, create higher high, sorry, lower lows, lower high, push downside, and finally market create this one, right? So where is our extreme PY in this case? In terms of the weekly time frame, this is a extreme PY, because market create this chalk, right? Push downside, break off structure, push downside is inducement, unlimited PY, tap here, reaction, but not reaction, then no reaction, then we can simply buy till extreme PY mitigation here. So if price tap here, definitely we are willing to sell here at this point, right? If everything fit as per our plan. Okay, so probably we are looking for to the upside, one more pullback to the upside here on this unmitigated order block, because this inducement taken out inducement, tap on this unmitigated order block, and then we are willing to go higher, right, as per the weekly time frame. Now we are going to switch here in a daily time frame perspective. In a daily time frame perspective, everything looks similar, still a bullish. So this is a PY in a weekly time frame, and this is a PY after taking out the inducement. We are willing to buy here when price tap on unmitigated shadow here, and we can buy to the upside. This was our last previous structure, this was our last break off structure here, right? And then continue going higher high. So short term we can sell here, then price mitigate this zone, and then we can buy here, because this one is our weekly order block also here, right? Now we are going to switch here in a 1 hour time frame. In a 1 hour time frame, market momentum completely bearish and everything looks bearish. When market taken out the inducement, and then we can sell here. Right now what happening here, this was our recent lower lows, and this was our lower high. Why? Because market push downside and break this low, this is a valid break of structure, and this point become our inducement taken out, and then we can sell. Same thing happen here, break the structure, after taking out the inducement, we can sell at this point based on 1 hour time frame. This is our like daily, sorry, 1 hour here. This is a 1 hour order block, taken out the inducement, tap here, and then sell, right? Now going to switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly. Okay, there is no big change, similar thing happening here. Switch here in a 5-minute time frame. In a 5-minute time frame, also like bearish, but for the short term, market continue go higher. This is a just liquidity grab here, previous low sweep here. So if market sweep the previous low, which is an indication for the reversal, so previous low sweep here, and then we are buying here till this supply zone. This is an unmitigated side over which taken out the liquidity here. We can see the previous high is a sweep here, so this is our supply zone, right? So we can buy here after taking out this inducement, which is already grab here. So market can continue go higher to mitigate this one, and then we are selling here at this point, right? So this is a possible scenario in our Euro USD higher time frame to lower time frame scenario, and we can buy or sell here, right? Okay, so this one is our possible scenario in a Euro USD higher time frame to lower time frame. And now we are going to start quick question answer session, then I will finish this stream. All right, now you can text in a chat section. I will pick few questions, because all question is not possible to respond to you, as you know. Okay, love you, man. Love you too. BTC analysis. Sir, today in this webinar, we have done only 2 pair as per request. In the next week, may be possible. All about inducement, correct. It's all about inducement. Session liquidity, I already I've done a video I publish on YouTube videos, so you can watch them. Is there a 2 or 4.0 coming? Sir, I can't say, but maybe, but not sure. But main thing is all thing cover in a 3.0. If there is any update or anything, I will mention in this 3.0. Okay, so many question answer. Please ask one by one, then we can understand and I can reply you. Please make a video on session. Yes, sir, I will make a video, separate video, especially for this session. Explain inducement and chalk. Inducement, when market break the previous high or low and then first high, internal high or low, that's called inducement. Chalk only happen when market either break the major structure high or low and close of it, that's called chalk. Either if market break, tap on your PY, sweep the main high or low and then switch in a lower time frame and 1 minute first structure is a broken high or low, that's called a chalk. Similar thing happen here. You can see the previous main low is sweep here, first high is a broken, that's called chalk. Chalk taken out inducement, mitigate unmitigated order block and we can buy here. Simply, that's it. Euro USD in a 15 minute. 15 minute also same thing as per 1 hour and 15 minute looks similar. So which session you trade? I trade mostly in a London and New York session. In a New York gives more volatility. What is single candle order? Single candle order block when price sweep the main high or low and create single candle order block. That's it. You can see here something like this. You can see, for example, this is not like exact, but I'm going to show you like previous low is a sweep here, and in that case, if previous low sweep here, and then market create next candle cover F, and this one is called single candle order. Next mitigate here and we can buy here. Buy the next candle, third candle, and maybe so many candle and then mitigate and go high. In this case, there is no inducement need. We can simply buy here. Okay, ask one by one, then I can respond to you because so many questions I can't understand. How to backtest? Backtest is a simple process. Simply use TradingView, any Pro Plus plan, and then mark your higher time frame structure and mark your PY, and then wait for mitigation, and through bar play you can understand in a lower time frame that how price react and take a trade and then make a notion or template, or you can also record your data on Excel sheet, whatever you want. It's up to you. Simply then you can, after 1 hour 2 hour practice, you will realize that how many traders you win and lose and what is strike rate, everything. Okay everyone, so if someone join late, then you can watch this webinar. I will upload on YouTube as soon as possible, so you can watch later anytime. And thank you so much everyone for attending this beautiful webinar. I hope you learn a lot of things in this webinar. Definitely this will very helpful for you. And thank you so much everyone. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day and have a nice great weekend everyone.